This is a short tutorial on how to use FRESNEL, the save data editor for Eternity Egg that I wrote today and yesterday. It's really straightforward, but it's not very pretty, and it doesn't have any real like safety when it comes to setting values. It just verifies that it's a number. That's about it. So you can't mash, like you can't set your speed stat to be like poo poo pee pee. It has to be a number. But other than that, it's free range or free reign. I don't know. Very straightforward to set up. It's going to come in this zip folder, and all you have to do is take everything in there and extract it. Some of this stuff doesn't do anything or doesn't do anything yet, but that's not important. That's for later versions. All you have to do is extract that wherever you want it and double click the jar file. It should run the program. You should see these lists here that show you items and checkpoints, and then all you have to do is pick your save file. This is going to open the Eternity Egg folder, and you can just grab whatever you want from there. This one's got some old data in it, but that's not important. Click your player state JSON, and that's going to load everything in. See, this shows me everything that I have. All my checkpoints, all my items. You can see I've done some manual editing myself to get some of these places. But oh yeah, see, look, we have my stars, my energy, my character stats. They all loaded in as well. Now, if I wanted to go and add a checkpoint, it's as simple as looking through this list for the checkpoint that you want. I don't think I can do that because I think this file has all of the checkpoints. Yeah, it does. But you would just go through there, pick the one you want, hit the add button, and it'll add it to the list. There's no method of removing things at the moment. The closest thing is, for example, I can add a bunch of frog eyes here, and you can see it just keeps adding them. Now I have 27 frog eyes, and if I didn't want that to be part of this change, I can revert the whole thing and start over. So now all the changes I would have made are gone. Like, see, I could set this to 8,000, or yeah, 8,000, and then I hit revert, right back to 8. Okay, so we're just gonna do a quick alteration to show off the whole dealy. There's the gold key. These are good. This is probably why you want this, so you can give yourself a bunch of keys and open all the chests. So I'm just going to give myself 20 of those. No biggie. And I think I'm going to set this to 120,000 for shits, and this to 613,000 because haha. Change all my stats to like 80. Speed and bounce are crazy at 80, by the way. You are flying like you're on the moon. And just go ahead and change those to whatever you want. Like, I think I can even change this to like 999 and it will be fine, but it's going to look bad in the menu. Now that we've done all that, it's as simple as hitting update. Boom. And you just saw that. Now we have a new player state.json that appeared in the directory of the app. Just going to take that, just going to copy it. And I should have kept my directory open. Sheesh. Got to go to your Eternity Egg directory. Go to the slot you want to change and just copy that player state file in there to replace the old one. Bang. Now let's just open the game and make sure everything worked. You can also change your active checkpoint, but I wouldn't recommend doing that just because changing your checkpoint doesn't change your player coordinates, and you might end up falling through the ground, which is kind of a pain if you just tried to give yourself 100,000 energy and you lose it all immediately. Can't recommend that. It will work. It will change your checkpoint to the correct location. Jesus, that's loud. Sorry about that. Let's just take a quick look. Actually, let's look really quickly. Do I have a bunch of keys? I do. I have 20 keys that I've added, and I have all my stars and energy that I wanted. And that's interesting. This gets a comma, but this doesn't. Goblin, please fix 0 out of 10. And final confirmation. Yep, there we go. 80 and everything, and 999 ecstasy. I can't set these any higher. Oh, because I don't have any points. I'm stupid. I want to see what happens really quickly, just to show off for fun. If we set this to like, I think it's capped at 99. I think someone said that, but let's set it to 120 because it grows exponentially. Look how fast, by the way. That's your base jump. And come on. Oh my lord. Wow. Yeah, so you can do some serious foolery with this. And that's pretty much it. So thank you. The files will be available in the project channel shortly, and I'll put them online eventually. I think I'm going to try and pretty it up a little bit before I put it all the way out there. But, you know, for the people, I wanted to get it to you right away. That's it. Thanks for watching.